viewers, today I am going to tell you about Polyalthia longifolia. There are two varieties of Polyalthia longifolia. This variety is pendula. There is another variety, that is augustifolia, but the most common variety which is found in northern India is pendula. The plant is beautiful, handsome tree, small tree, and this plant belongs to the family Annonaceae. Polyalthia longifolia is commonly known as false Ashoka. Sometimes it is incorrectly called Ashoka due to its resemblance to Sita Ashok, which is Sarika Ashoka. This plant is quite different from Sita Ashoka or Sarika Ashoka. Polyalthia longifolia belongs to the family Annonaceae, and the common name of the plant is musk tree, Indian fir, and false Ashoka. It is also known as Buddha tree. It is a beautiful, handsome tree which reaches up to the height of 10 meter. This plant is native of Southeast Asia and it is native to southern India and Sri Lanka. But now the variety of this plant has been spread throughout the. Another name of Polyalthia longifolia is Monan longifolia. There are two varieties of this plants which are most common in India. One variety is pendula, which you can see here. This is this variety pendula, Polyalthia longifolia pendula, and another species is augustifolia. The difference between these two varieties is canopy. Its canopy is it is about cylindrical in nature, and augustifolia has wide canopy. So this variety is most common. This is a street plant of India and it is used for controlling noise pollution. It exhibits symmetrical pyramidal growth with drooping branches and drooping leaves. Now you can see that the stem or trunk is straight, slim trunk with short and drooping branches. You can see that the branches are drooping, resulting in pyramidal shape. And one of the most striking feature is that the canopy of this plant is due to these drooping branches, and which is not a common feature of tropical trees. So this is most important feature of this plant, that the branches and leaves are drooping. Leaves are simple, lanceolate with wavy margins. You can see that the margins are wavy and acute apex, and this is simple leaf of this plant, pendulous branches, drooping leaves. When leaves are young, color is light green or purplish, very tender leaves. When leaves grow older, color becomes more darker, and when leaves become fully mature, leaves become dark green in color, wavy margins and drooping leaves. Characteristic feature of this plant. This plant blooms for a very short period. Flowering time is very small. It lasts about 2 to 3 weeks only. Flowers are pale yellow or green in color, star-shaped flowers, and fruits are just like coffee seeds. Small nut-like fruits having shape of coffee seeds. This plant is very useful plant. As the name suggests, Polyalthia, it's a Greek word. Poly means many, althia means cure. It means it is considered that many diseases are cured by this plant. In ancient medical system, in Ayurveda, this plant was used for the treatment of fever, hypertension, sugar, and many warm diseases. So this plant is very much useful for This plant possesses many medicinal properties. This is a avenue tree or street tree of India. You can observe this plant as a hedge among all the residential areas. Leaves are used for decoration during festivals. Leaves and bark also contains antimicrobial and anti-worm, insecticidal properties. So this is a beautiful plant of family Annonaceae called Polyalthia longifolia. Thanks for watching. If you want me to make more such videos, then subscribe my channel and comment in the comment box.